ready to practice welding. We are going to grind this down with the angle grinder. Reveal all the holes. There's some little holes right here. Then we're gonna use our sheet of steel, 16 gauge, our Harbor Freight Flux welder to fix it up. And we're going to be using it on the recommended settings for 16 gauge 0.035. To get most of this cleaned up, I used the Bauer corded angle grinder with some flap discs and a couple wire brush heads to get in the harder to reach places and seams. The angle grinder and accessories can be found at the link in the description. The welder I'm using is the Chicago Electric Flux 125, and just a heads up to go ahead and invest in a nicer welding helmet than the one that comes with it. The one that comes with it is handy, but you'll thank yourself for buying a better helmet down the road. The welder and helmet that I'm using can be found in the description below as well. The dolly itself I picked up for 10 bucks at a local yard sale. Fits pretty snug. And we have this extra little offcut piece, so I thought about putting that piece right here for some extra support against this middle one. Alright, got the clamp down and we're ready to weld. This part's not. I already have a feeling using something with rubber plastic on it's going to be a mistake, but it's all I have until I get some different clamps. So, see what happens. I see. The issue here was my ground clamp. I had it placed up near the handle of the dolly, and it's pretty thick with paint and rust. And I found out that you need to place it on cleaner metal, so I placed it down at the bottom, and that seemed to fix it. Throughout my videos, I want to put little snippets of animals, pets, or creatures that I find out on my property or my family's property, and I want to call it the critter cam. So the first critter cam we got here is a hummingbird feeder right outside our back window. The next critter cam we have is Mocha the cat out with her mama and her aunties out on the land. And the last critter cam is Clover in the yard with her favorite stick, and then she got embarrassed. If you've made it this far in the video, I appreciate you watching. If you don't know, this is my first time ever welding, so any feedback is greatly appreciated. I wanted to start with a lower stakes project like restoring this old rusty dolly before I move on to higher stakes projects like welding on or working on my truck, which of course I want to do a good job on. So let me know in the comments what you think I could have done better or differently, or just what you want to see next time. My goal for this channel is for it to be a place to document my learning alongside you guys, so thanks in advance for leaving comments and let me know what you think. Alright, we got the new wheels on. Sitting on 22s, baby. It ain't very pretty. I call this piece practice, not perfection, so that's where we're at.